This is the Woodford 30542 clear plastic handle for the Woodford model C22. As you can see here on the inside there will be those splines. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. And it is a circular handle as well. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll get a total height. Measure from this end, make it a little bit easier. You can see there it measures right below 2 inches. And get an outer diameter of this side here where it'll connect to that stem, and that'll be right at 1/2 inch. And the outer diameter of the face of the handle is right at 2 inches. Yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 30542 clear plastic handle.